All right, now we're going to talk about confirmations. Not that kind or that kind. No, we're going to talk about DX confirmations. Now, I've already showed you how to do Logbook of the World and outgoing QSL cards, and there's the episode numbers if you need to go back and check it out. We're going to start now with how to deal with incoming QSL cards. All right, so you've been DXing and contesting. What next? Well, you're probably going to start to get some cards incoming through the Bureau. You may even have some there that you don't know about yet. I'm just going to let you know how to get started getting set up with the Incoming Card Bureau. Now, this is through the ARRL and local clubs and volunteers who staff this in your call area. You don't need to join the ARRL, and the service is free. The only cost is the postage for them to get those cards to you. So you're going to want to either send them a self-addressed stamped envelope or a bunch of them, or just a check. Like I send my card guy a check for $100 and he'll let me know when I start to run low. Now here's a list of the volunteers who sort the cards in your call area. So if your call has a 2 in it, you're going to want to contact the W2 or the NJDXA showing there. Same thing, there's a 1, a 3, and a 4. There's volunteers for every call area, so you're going to want to be sure to note which one is yours, and you can contact them. You can also Google some of these clubs, and they'll have more information on incoming cards. And of course, you're going to need to make a check out to the club or group listed. And that even includes some of the U.S. territories there, and shortwave listeners. And next, we're going to talk about OQRS, or the Online QSL Request Service. Now, if you want to utilize the OQRS system, you'll need to go into clublog.org. Now, if you've never been into Clublog, you want to go ahead and register. It is free to use, and there are a lot of great tools. So once you get registered, you want to log in, and then go up to the Expedition tab at the top there. And it's going to list for you in date order, the most recent at the top, all the current expeditions going on that are utilizing Clublog. Now, if you'll notice, on the far right side, some of them have little green shopping carts next to them. So now if I go up to Guantanamo Bay, I just made some QSOs with him this past week, and I click on that little shopping cart, go ahead and put my call sign in, it's going to bring up all the QSOs I made with Guantanamo Bay. And there they are. If you mouse over, it's going to show you the operator that you worked as well. So I'm going to go ahead and request my QSL from him. Now I have the choice of either going direct or through the Bureau. The Bureau's free, but direct, it's going to only cost me for this one $3 for the first card, and the additional ones are free. So I might as well go order all 3. And then click on the green icon. And then it's going to take you in here, and this is where you can put, if you are using a QSL manager, you want to put in your grid square locator, and if you want to send them any additional funds in addition to that $3, here's where you can do that. And then you want to order the QSL, and now it's going to take you directly to PayPal. And once in there, you just want to go complete that and make sure your address and everything's up to date, and voila, $3. I just got 3 cards. Pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy.